Hello and welcome to Oracle PLSQL video tutorials. In this video, we'll talk about loops. Most of the programming languages provide loops to execute a piece of code repetitively until a condition is satisfied. For example, printing digits from 1 to 10, or as a bit more complex example, printing alphabets in a given string vertically. We'll discuss three types of loops in PLSQL in this video: simple loops, for loops, and while loops. Simple loops start with the keyword loop, and to close it, we provide end loop keyword. To stop it at a certain stage, we provide exit when condition. This loop will execute at least once. In this example, we are declaring a variable v number and initializing as soon as we declare it. In the executable part, we are using a simple loop to add 1 to this variable in every repetition of the loop. Also, we are printing a string concatenated by the value of variables of the variable. In the exit when part of the loop, we are telling it to stop when it reaches the value 10. Now let's execute it, and we can see output is printed 10 times. The string along with the current value of the variable is printed. For loop executes a loop in fixed number of times. After for keyword, a loop counter variable is provided. This can have any variable name, and we do not need to declare it in the declarative part. After this, we provide starting and ending numbers, the low and high value or range of value. It is separated by two dots. In the loop section, we provide the code to be executed repeatedly, and end loop will close the loop body. In this example, we are using a for loop to print loop counter variable's value 10 times. We named it v counter and starts its value from 1 and set its last value 10. In the loop's body, we are printing a string with v counter's value. Let's execute this loop. After we execute this code, we can see there are 10 lines printed as we told the loop to be repeated 10 times. While loop will keep repeating while the condition after the while keyword is true. As soon as the condition becomes false, loop will stop. There is also a chance in while loop that it wouldn't run, not even once. In this example, we are incrementing the variable value by 1 after initializing it at 0. And in the while keyword, we are providing a condition that while the value of v number is under 10, keep repeating the loop. And in the loop body, we are printing a string with v number's value. Here we can see It kept printing the value until it reached 9, and after incremented by 1 and printing value 10, it stopped. We need to be cautious about infinite loops. Infinite loops keep repeating forever. You have to terminate the program or the environment in which you are running such loops to stop. For instance, in this example, if you omit the increment part of the code, the variable's value will remain 0 and never reach 10. So the loop will keep repeating itself forever. Please don't try it.